Hello, welcome back to CAPSIM GlobalDNA 2024 Top 10 Winning Tips Details Guide for Round 7. To get the top result, you can check the last previous video to see the top 10 winning tips for the CAPSIM GlobalDNA. Remember, I show you the strategy. You can copy the strategy, but don't copy the number because number may be different from student to student. I show you the detail now, right? So we see that round 6, so we get top results here, the top stop price, top sales, top profit, and total profit, right? So we go to the details, right? For R&D first, we have 4 products, so that's a strategy. So again, you can copy this strategy and win in round 4, 5, 6 from round 3. We add new product from round 1, 2, and 3, and rounds 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is quite easy. We update the products. We check the budget and performance segment for 3 market region here for the price range, and also the position, speed and accuracy of the products. We update the product here for R&D, and then for marketing we also check the price again to make sure we have the price range here, and we adjust the price to get the most competitive price compared with the price of competitors around here, right? And we also calculate the sales forecast based on the number we sold from last round and segment growth here. We do that for 4 products and 3 market regions, so we need to calculate 12 times for the production. Again, you can copy this strategy and always win, but do not copy the number may be different from student to student each round, so the strategy is always win. So for production, we increase automation to around 6 in round 6 and 7, and maintain capacity around 6,000 is okay. So we calculate again for the production for each product in each market to make sure we have enough supplies. For the finance from this round, we do not have to use the current debt, right? We keep enough here. You see a lot of cash to operate, so we can pay some dividends, right? A lot of dividends to get higher stock price is okay, and maintain the goods funds here. And you see we get nearly 10% of 47 million is very high net profit. So just keep moving. So again, if you have any questions, send the emails, or you get free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.